found somebody new. When all my friends are showing me new pics of you, all on the gram with your man, smiling holding hands like he just do you so much better than I do. Knew this day would soon be coming. Guess I didn't expect that it'd be this soon. I guess what I'm trying to say is I know this ain't right. I don't look right together. You look like mine forever. I don't look right together. I don't look right together. I don't look right together. You look like mine forever. No, I sound like I'm hating when I'm being honest. Trying to put my feelings somewhere I can't find them. Cause them shits have me acting scared. Like a knife is scrolling through my chest. When we argued, it was never this bad. Everything you do, it seemed to make me so sad. But you told me that we should not get time to reconvene. Cause who you need is me. I don't look right together. I don't look right together. I don't look right together. You look like mine forever. I don't look right together. I don't look right together. I don't look right together. You look like mine forever. I don't look right together. I don't look right together.